video, I'm going to show you how you can make an item inactive from your Etsy account. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to log in our Etsy account, and once you logged in, you will see like this type of thing. Now, to inactive any items, at first we need to find the listing which I want to inactive. So on the left side, we'll find this type of menus. If the menus are not there, if you see like this, if you click here, it will be expanded, and from here we have to come listings, this option. I'm going to click here, and right side we'll see all the listed items on my account or on my shop. So here I see this item is active, so I'm going to inactive this item or deactivate this item. To do this thing, we just need to click this small gear icon and it will be expanded. From here, we have to choose the option which we want to do. I'm going to deactivate this item, so I'm going to choose this option. Once I click here, it will bring this type of menu, like you are about to deactivate one listing. It is giving us the warning and also the information, like if we want to renew it later, it will charge 22 cents free, but if the item is not expired, then it will not charge. So it will expire. Once it is expired, then you just need to pay this much fee to list like delist this to list this item. So now there is on button, can deactivate now, and left there is cancel. So our goal was to deactivate this item, so we have to click this button, deactivate now. Once I click here, it will be deactivated, and here it is giving us the message, you have deactivated on listing. Now just refresh. Once we refresh our page, we'll see the item is not there, and here active 0 and inactive 1. So if we click here, then we'll see the item which we just deactivated, and that's it. In this way, we can easily inactive the activated items from our Etsy account.